Hi, all. We started our journey in the pilot program with an open mindset to learn, explore, and understand real world problems. As a part of the program, we identified our problem statement through Y Combinator startup ecosystem. We went through deeper into the problem statement by understanding research papers, understanding existing solutions, and getting insight from industry mentors and startup founders. These interactions helped us understand the problem from different perspectives and identify the actual gap in the market. Based on the learnings, we developed our Spark Studio as a solution to address this problem. These are my teammates, and we did research about our problem statement, and we came to a conclusion to build our Spark, which was based on design thinking framework and system design architecture. Organizations need custom application for their workflow, but complexity of deploying, managing, and maintaining them makes these solutions costly and difficult to handle.
From the empathy stage, we focused on understanding the real challenges were faced by the users when delivering cloud application. We observed that non-technical users can find traditional cloud platform difficult because they involve technical concept, configuration, and multiple tools. We also understand that users want to focus on their application requirements rather than spending time dealing with complex infrastructure. Through our research and development study, we found that deployment and orchestration can involve significant manual effort, low level configuration, specialized knowledge, and multiple DevOps tools. This helped us understand that the problem is not only about writing code, users also have to deal with the operational complexity around that code. We then moved to the define stage where we clearly identified the core problem from our research and user observation. We found that organizations struggle to quickly deploy, manage, and maintain custom applications because traditional cloud platforms involve complex configuration, multiple tools, and operational efforts. Therefore, our defined problem is to reduce this complexity and make the overall application lifecycle simpler and more accessible. Based on this defined problem, our target audience includes startups, enterprise, and educational institutions, particularly non technical users who want to create, deploy, manage, and maintain applications without dealing with the complexity of traditional cloud platforms.
I'm Mukesh. I'm here to explain the system design architecture that we learned before in the pilot study program. First, we're looking on the enterprise software fundamental. We talked about why traditional corporate software is always so slow, heavy, and complicated to deal with. We looked out the functional requirements and non-functional requirements like speed, security, and smooth performance. And we also analyzed the stakeholder to figure out who are our main targeted users and all. Then we jumped into the requirement gathering and the user journey mapping. We traced out how many people normally build software step by step and looked for all repetitive manual work we could get an AI to handle. It helped us to put together in product requirement document, and we set the role to the system constraints of our app would stay lightweight, secure, and super easy to launch. Next, we are focused on the domain modeling and module identification. Instead of writing giant messy code with files, we broke a whole app into independent business service. This led right into our HLD high level design. And then we speaking of the database design, which we figured out best ways to store our workspaces and chat histories, code files, etc. And then we worked on the API design and service communication. We set up a smooth communication between the SNS workbench as a backend and front end React for our app. It real time breaking uh, software. So finally, we looked out AI integration strategy. We made sure that AI wasn't slapped on after throughout, but baked right into the core of the app. So these are the system design that we learned for the building of Spark Studio. So first, this is our login page of Spark Studio, where we can log in our account, or else if you need to sign up with a new account, we can use that as a service. So first, we can log in our page. After we have logged in, we can see that our home page, which has a builder, templates, and deploy. So first, we can see the A builder. It is a building software tool that normal prompt can be used to build our small projects and all. So these are the add-on feature that we had add in the Spark, and these are the templates where we pre-built some codes templates inside the files, so we can use that in our projects itself. And then there's a deployment page where our all deployments are managing in this page. So it is a managing purpose, we are using this dashboard. And then this is a workspace where we can work together as a team or else as a separate person. And then this is member. If we have a team means we can manage our team or manage our editor or give access to the teammates like that. And this is a settings page where we can set about ourselves and all. So first we can move to the new workspace page. So after clicking this, we have moved to the new workspace where which I have built some projects in this house already. So if we have idea means we need to give a prompt like create a simple calculator. So like that we can click the build means we will instantly got some calculators in the page. So then we can apply to canvas, and also we can see our project in this. So it's a portfolio that I have made before this. And this app.js which I can say that like build a calculator means it build up on the as a file. So if a user is a developer means he can also edit in the coding itself and save and use them as a preview module. So our future is mainly deployment. So after creating a project, we need to deploy that project. So after clicking deploy, we will instantly get a link by deployed of our projects. So we can share this link and we can use the project itself. And for the invite team, I need to copy that pages and I need to paste that, or else I need to send that in a WhatsApp or else a joint team like that. So you can see that two Mukesh are here. Like one is owner and another one is a member in this workspace. And then we can also redeploy the projects, and we can also upload our predefined projects or pre-used projects in this page itself. Now we focus on the only React page. In future add-ons, can we move on to the Node.js file updation or HTML multiple language support? And how can we get our revenue? So basically it's a free plan model now we are using. So 3A bills per month we provide for the starter plan. After updating the pro means we can unlimitedly build our projects and private deployments. We will in future we will provide a separate deployment domains and all, and priority email support. So like this we have generating the revenue. And in this, we have implemented a chatbot where we can ask about anything in this page. We can ask about our project. And also, we have included a chatbot in this page itself. So, in personal workspace, we can see the project. Okay. So, in this, explain about, explain the code. So he is reading this code, it, and also we are using the backend as two files. So one is major is SNS workbench. So we using this much of workflows in our project. So there's a main core project like a core workflow. In this only we can get the code instantly, and this is a notify commit. If the user commits projects in the GitHub means they can Also get an email notification like that. And this is our one of our chatbot which we have seen before. It will generate a code based file, and it is a chatbot where we can ask anything about in the page, and it is instant notification where which we have used. So these are workbench workflows that we have used before.
Security is a key priority in Spark Studio. So, we have used JWT authentication and bcrypt hashing to protect user accounts. Along with that, we have also used Helmet and rate limiting for API security. AI generated code is also validated before execution, and unsafe imports are removed to prevent broken code from affecting the system. Then the advantages of other website and compared with Spark Studio. Cursor focuses only on code assistance and Webflow focuses on visual website building. But our website Spark Studio focuses on visual architecture, real-time collaboration, one-click deployment, and exportable React code. Our business aspect focuses on SMEs, non technical teams, and enterprise IT as our main customers. We provide value by offering low cost, AI based application creation with simplified deployment and management. We follow a SaaS model with free and pro plans and customize enterprise plans as our revenue sources. Our key partners includes cloud, database, and AI providers. The value for organization is simple: less time spent on infrastructure, faster application delivery, and lower development and maintenance effort. Thank you.